Hello students, now I will explain you about Pythagoras theorem. Before starting this theorem, let me tell you important fact that this theorem is applicable only on right triangle. Suppose let me draw this right triangle. Let's name this triangle as A, B and C. What is right triangle? A triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. Here this angle B is of 90 degree. Okay, and the side which is drawn opposite to this 90 degree angle is always called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, and that 90 degree straight side is called perpendicular. Pendicular. And on which side this perpendicular is drawn, that is called base. Hope it is clear. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, base square, if we do the square of base plus perpendicular square is always equals to hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Like in any right triangle, two sides are given to us. Suppose its measure is given here. This is given 4 centimeter. This is given 3 centimeter, and we have to find out this side AC. How we can find out this using Pythagoras theorem? Let's start. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, BC square, this is base, we can name it BC also because in this triangle your base is 4 centimeter, plus AB square, that is your perpendicular, will be equals to hypotenuse square, that is AC square. Now whichever values are given here, we will put the values in this. Here our base is BC, that is 4 square, plus AB square, that is 3 square, is equals to AC square. Now square, how we will open these squares given here? 4 square means 4 multiply with 4, and 3 square means 3 will multiply with 3, is equals to AC square. 4 square, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, is equals to AC square. Now 16 plus 9 is 25, is equals to AC square. Now as we have to find out AC only, but here it is given AC square. Now we will on this side, on the left hand side, we will convert this 25 into also square so that these two squares will cancel. Now to 25 I can write 5 multiplied by 5 also is equals to AC square, and 5 into 5 means it is 5 square, is equals to AC square. Now I can cancel these two squares. So your AC is 5 centimeter. This is how, if two sides of any right triangle are given, by using Pythagoras theorem we can find out the third side. Now let's take one more example. Suppose, let me erase this. Okay, where your hypotenuse is already given. Any one side from the other two, either you can take base or perpendicular is not given. Suppose hypotenuse is given 10 and base is given 6, and we have to find out this side, means we have to find out perpendicular. So what will be according to Pythagoras theorem? Base square BC plus perpendicular square, that is AB square, is equals to AC square. Okay, and now let's put the values which are given here. BC we know, that is 6, so it will be 6 square, plus AB value we don't know, so we will write AB as it is here because we don't know the value of AB, and AC is given here 10, so I will write here 10 square. Now firstly I will open the squares. 6 square means 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36, plus AB square is equals to 10 square. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Now we will take this 36 to the right hand side as we have to find out the value of AB. Now AB I will write on the left only. When I will take this 36 to the right hand side, it will minus. Okay, now AB square will be equals to 100 minus 36 is 64. Now again on the left hand side we are having AB square, but on the left we have a number, so firstly I will convert this number also into power form, that is whose power should be 2. Now AB square is equals to 64 I can write 8 multiplied by 8, so this will be AB square is equals to, I can write 8 into 8 as 8 square. Now I can cancel square with the square. It means our AB will be 8 centimeter. So this is how we can calculate different sides, like if any right triangle, 2 sides are given, this is how we can calculate the third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. And always keep one more thing in your mind, in Pythagoras theorem always your hypotenuse is the greatest side. Length of hypotenuse is always larger than other 2 sides. Thank you.